It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As promised, I have a DIY for you, a DIY that's on a budget. So what you see me doing is basically taking one of those 12 by 12 square signs that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I am applying some of the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color Cashew. I will be applying this on both sides of this piece because we are going to use this as the base coat to create us a checkboard or a buffalo check pattern. And guys, this idea came to me today and I had to execute it, and I must say that I am in love with this piece. So all I'm doing again is basically applying this cashew paint to both sides of the piece, and then in the next couple clips you'll see me taking some of that blue painter's tape, and I am just going to build out my buffalo check pattern. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers to the channel. I am so happy that you guys are still rocking with your girl. I absolutely had a wonderful day, and all I wanted to do once I did go shopping with Uncle T, because I have another project that I am going to be uploading to the channel this week. I'm gonna try to load you guys up with a lot of Christmas content between now and Thanksgiving. So I have this one project that I needed some of these wood squares for. So the Dollar Tree in Smithfield, North Carolina actually had the amount that I needed. And they were so kind, the managers, to go to the back and pull the squares for me. So I can't wait for you guys to see that project later on this week. I may roll it out on either Wednesday or Friday of next week. But anyway, as I was saying earlier, I'm using this blue painter's tape to get ready to build out the buffalo check pattern. And so you see I'm cutting down that yellow sponge that I purchased from the Dollar General. If you have yet to see that haul, I will link it in this video here. And now that I've already applied the base coat of the cashew color paint, I am now going in over the piece using the burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel. Now, I did not need the spacers in between there, so you can forego this step. They also, if you have a problem creating the buffalo check pattern, they do have stencils where you can purchase from Temu or even on Amazon, where you can, it has the buffalo check pattern and you just apply the colors that you want. But I just went on and just freehanded the creation of the buffalo check pattern. I'm pretty familiar with the process, and just by watching the video you can kind of tell how it goes. You just want to run your strips vertical, and then you want to switch and run them horizontal. But anyway, guys, I cannot wait for you to see this project. It is gorgeous. And so when I said you didn't need the spacers using the middle tape, this is what I was referring to, because it just messed up the pattern. So I did have to go back and add some more of that, again, burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel. Now, all the paints that I use on the channel typically comes from Walmart. However, the wood tint I actually purchased from Amazon. And I know this is not your traditional Christmas colors, guys, but I can promise you, when you see how this project turned out, you're going to love it just as much as I do. And so, as you see, I've already changed the the layout of the board. And now I am getting ready to go and apply the red coat of paint, or the Waverly brand chalk paint in the color crimson, to this piece. And so as you can see here, I'm just trying to figure out where is it. And because I don't use a lot of red on the channel, except during Christmas or during Valentine's Day, I keep smaller jars of those non-traditional colors for me. And as you can see, I'm just going over this piece and just applying this crimson red paint. And again, this paint is by the Waverly brand chalk paint, which you can find at Walmart. So guys, I want to welcome again everyone back to the channel. If you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. And also guys, I don't know if I've mentioned it or not, but my baby girl, well, the 32-year-old Naira, she got engaged. And so I just want you all just to wish her celebratory wishes, congratulating her and her fiance Xavier on their engagement. Congratulations, mommy girl. And this is where the project was elevated. And when I say that this entered my head like someone entering a chat, this entered my head like someone was entering a chat. And so I decided, instead of creating like a word display, I decided to take this wood round, the smaller wood round that Uncle T purchased for me from Michael's, and create an ornament. And the bulb, and not just any ornament. I am actually doing a trash to treasure, because I've taken the label or the tag from the square, and that's going to be the top of the bulb where the hanger is. And then if you remember, I had purchased some of that thick braided jute rope from Amazon, and I didn't like it because it was so thick, but it worked out perfectly for this DIY. Guys, I am so excited for you to see this. I am. And all I did was just basically cut the cord down to fit on top of the hanging piece. And when you see this, I'm about to be speechless because I think it's so cute. It's cute. I can't wait for you to see it. And again, I am just going and applying this evenly across. Now, I did leave a little lip at the end because I want to fit the wood round on top of the lip. And now I'm just trimming out the edges, making sure that there's no overhang. And then you will see me burn the phrase eventually. And as you can see here, I am just fitting this just to see how it looks. And again, guys, I'm so pleased with this piece. And of course, if you know Joy, she's gonna always have something to drink, water mainly. And now I am just burning the phrase off of this rope. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I just personally do not like the way the phrase look on jute rope, so I burn them to give it a cleaner look, as well as burning the rope gives this a darker appearance, which kind of fits my style of rustic. And so now I am gluing down my wood round, and look guys, look at my braided rope topper or hanger for this ornament. It's so cute. And off camera, I went and basically just painted the wood round in the same color, the cashew color. And now I am just adding some florals to the back of this piece to give this more of a festive Christmas look, and I'm just gluing it down to the square, the wood square, and it's already coming together. You guys got to let me know. I wanted to bring you something that was affordable. I think, not counting paint and stuff that I've already had on hand, this DIY costs no more than less than $5 to make. So, and although it costs less than $5 to make, it looks high end, and I absolutely love it. And yeah, I hope some of you will recreate this. It's really, really cute. And now, after I had placed that down, I needed to go clean up some of the edges. So I did go back and get some more of that braided rope and just built out the topper, as you can see in the clip here. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And now that I have successfully adhered this piece to the wood square, I was sitting there and I just kept looking at it, and I said, what more can I add? I mean, it's cute as is, but I did want to embellish it a little more, and you'll see that come up in the next clip. Again, I'm just making sure I clean up the edges of the topper for my bulb, and then you'll see me basically take a word cutout, and I was like, okay, let's dry brush some more of that cashew paint on top of my pine cones, because you guys know I'm in the pine cones this year, so I was not going to forego putting a pine cone in this floor display. And now I am continuing to embellish by creating my jute twine bows. I know a lot of people like, why do you put bows on everything? I just think it's cute. I mean, you don't have to do this. This is just inspiration, and you can recreate this without the bow, with an ornament, whatever suits your fancy. But I wanted to add a bow to mine, and of course I burned the phrase. And now you see me here with this wood cutout from the Dollar Tree. It comes in their fall words. I think it's like 6 different sayings, and this one just says blessed. And so I did end up painting it using that crimson paint by the Waverly brand chalk paint, centered it, glued it down, and that is going to be it for this project. I cannot wait for you guys to see it in the reveal. But again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And I did go back and just added a little dry brushing to it. Now, I did not apply any Mod Podge or any sealant to this piece. If I decide to gift this to someone and or keep it, then I will make sure that I apply the sealant or Mod Podge to it. More than likely, I will use a sealant. And now I am creating a bow to put, not a bow, a hanger to put on the back of this piece. And I'm just using the jute twine. And again, I am burning the phrase off of the jute twine to give it a cleaner look. So guys, did you have a great Sunday? How was your weekend overall? Did you see the videos that I uploaded to the channel? I hope you did. If not, please go back and check those out. And guys, we're headed into the reveal. Look at that. Guys, tell me, is that not cute? It's cute. I think this turned out so very cute. I mean, it was just something that came into the head. And of course, when it's in my head, Say it with me. She's got to get it out. And so, of course, I just styled it with my pine cones with the DIY that I uploaded to the channel last night with the Pinterest inspired piece, and just styled it with some of those flock trees that I purchased from Roses and the little gnomes from the Dollar Tree. This is cute. I hope you guys like this DIY. Please make sure you leave me a comment letting me know what you think of it. And until the next DIY, guys, be blessed.